well, all my education here in Shillong. I had a very short stint in Delhi, but then due to some problem, I got admission in SRCC, Shri Ram College of Commerce, when I was planning to do my masters. But then due to certain problems, I had to come back. I was there just for about a year. Anyway, so that is, so finally I did my masters in economics from Northeastern Hill University, then did my MCom and did my PhD in economics, in the area of small scale industry. And that is one. And then, of course, I was never into politics. I'm just as old as the party. And well, when talking about my personal, my family, my parents, both of them are no more, but I thank them because they have been the one who have taught us the values of life, taught us to put God, before everything. And then I have my two sisters. One is also a teacher in the university in the Department of Economics. Another one, she's also done a PhD in environmental science. And of course, I have my brother who lives outside of the country. So we have four of us, And of course, and my wife, she's no more, and no children. So I'm free to serve my people,
So you reside alone at your home?
Yes. And I like to do things on my own. I want to be independent, and then my motto in life is that, I am here with a purpose. God has a plan, God has a purpose for me. And I see that I've always, wanted to do the best that I can, to be a blessing to others. And like I always say in many forums, that I'm here not to be served, but to serve the people. Well, before, entering into this arena of politics, I always I love nature. I love to be with some of the animals that I have. I have some ducks and some chickens, some birds. Well, the main variety that I've planted here are, pineapple, then there's papaya, and then of course I have two plants of gooseberries, or amla that you call in Hindi. And then of course about vegetables, I do have like squash, pumpkin, then cabbage, which I just planted just yesterday. And then and they're all organic.